In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Replit app on App Store, step by step. First, start on the Replit homepage. Make sure you're signed in and that you've got a project idea in mind. From the project chooser, pick Web App. This gives you a server and a live preview so you can build and test quickly. Next, switch over to the Mobile App option. This view focuses your project on mobile-friendly patterns and prepares you for the build and publish workflow you'll use later. Use the search bar to find the mobile starter you want, then select the highlighted template. This gives you a clean foundation with a preview pane and a basic file structure. Once the project opens, look for the Agent Chat panel. Click it to generate or adjust boilerplate, ask for UI tweaks, or scaffold screens. Treat it like a coding assistant. Ask small, specific questions and apply the changes it suggests directly to your files. Always glance at the console for errors and use the preview to verify every change looks right on a mobile-sized screen. When you're ready to produce a build, click Build. This compiles your project and prepares assets. Here, you'll see guidance like make, test, iterate. Use that flow. Test thoroughly in the preview, refresh after changes, and keep commits small so it's easy to roll back if needed. You'll also see prompts such as ask questions, plan your work. That's a reminder to outline features, define your navigation, and confirm your app's core actions before you move forward. As you proceed, follow the highlighted prompts in the interface. These typically point you to important fields or actions, such as naming the project, adjusting settings, or confirming the output. Continue clicking the highlighted options as they appear so nothing is skipped. When everything looks good, click Publish. In Replit, this publishes your web app so it's hosted and accessible via a public URL. That URL is important because here's the key detail. You can't directly publish a Replit app straight to the iOS App Store. To get an iOS build, you'll need to convert your hosted web app into a native iOS package, often by wrapping it with a tool or service designed for this purpose. Options include services that generate an iOS IPA from a web app, or building a simple WebView wrapper with Xcode. After that, you'll submit the build to App Store Connect using Apple's transporter and complete the standard review process. Keep in mind you'll need an active Apple Developer Program membership to submit. That's the full path. Build and publish on Replit for the web, then convert and submit for iOS. Let's get started.